Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we have something very special. Today, we'll be unboxing this. To give you a hint of what it is, as you can see here, it came from Johnson Space Center. And if you look on the side, it says critical space item, handled with extreme care with NASA logo. So this literally came from space. And let's see what's inside. So we open it up, and inside you see nice foam packaging. And what sits inside is our cube target from our RSAT mission. Flown hardware you see on top with our mission logo on it. Nicely packaged, straight from the International Space Station. And that is our cube target sitting inside. So let's take a closer look. Here is the packaging that it came in. Again, flown hardware, very cool, straight from the International Space Station. And here's a closer look at that cube target that we were trying very hard to reach for in our mission. So if you want to see it in real life, it'll be here at the Naval Academy's Space Systems Engineering Lab, so come on by.